Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome to TRICENTIS Tosca Advanced Training. So this is our lesson 22 in terms of overall TRICENTIS Tosca training, or it's a lesson 7 in terms of advanced training. So I would recommend you guys to please visit my previous videos before you watch this session to understand the concepts very well. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how can you use a dynamic comparison, or how can you perform dynamic comparison while automating your test cases, or while validating your test cases by using TRICENTIS Tosca automation. So for dynamic comparison, we use XBuffer. So you're going to learn XBuffer concept in this particular training session. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Thank you. Okay, so what is dynamic comparison? So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how can you set up and then how to use dynamic comparison. And the dynamic comparison is a feature within Tosca that allows you to verify a portion of the string that is static. So basically you can verify static portion of the string, and you can buffer another portion of the string which is dynamic. Okay, so let's assume once you order your product in any e-commerce site, right? It says your order has been successfully placed and it gives you the order number. So in this case, the order number is a dynamic, and your order has been successfully placed, that is a static text. So now how can you validate this entire string? Part of string is dynamic and part of string is static. So that is where this dynamic comparison comes into picture. Okay, so this is also represented as XBuffer, which is curly braces XB in Tosca. So basically this helps you to verify the string with dynamic elements, and as well as simultaneously you can buffer the element within the string which is a dynamic, and you can utilize them later in your test validations. Okay, so let's jump onto the system and see how can we perform this dynamic comparison by using XBuffer concept by using latest version TRICENTIS Tosca 16. So this is my Tosca 16, okay, where we are going to start working on dynamic comparison. So if you see, I already explained you one end-to-end scenario where we go to, if you see, this is my demo web shop. That is where we are working from past 21 sessions, okay. You basically logged into demo web shop, go to apparels and shoes. So I'm going to teach you, I'm going to tell you what scenario we are automating here, okay. And go to blue jeans and add to cart quantity 1, okay. And then go to shopping cart, and here agree the terms, checkout, and here billing address, shipping address. So this is all already I have explained you, okay guys, okay. So here once you complete your entire order, once you confirm the order, you will get an order number, okay. So if you see here, this text order number 140912, correct. So here order number is a static and 140912 is dynamic text, okay. So that means now I want to verify this text. How can I verify this text? So that is where dynamic comparison comes into picture. So let's go here. So I already automated that entire scenario, logging in and then checkout and verify. So here if you see, there is one module test case step called verify the order success, where I'm verifying the successful order. Your order has been successfully processed, and here the order number, okay. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to verify this also. Select verify, And here inner text, this is my object control related to this one. Okay, here I'm going to select inner text, and my inner text is equal to what? Here, copy this. Okay, copy this and paste here. Sorry, this one, inner text equal to, here this is my dynamic part, right? That one I'm going to specify as XBuffer, exclude the verification and buffer this particular text, this particular part of the string. What I'm doing, I'm specifying verify this entire text from here to here, and while verifying exclude this part and then store this in a buffer value. Okay, so for that's the reason I'm going to specify XBuffer. Here I'm going to tell this as order number. What I'm doing, this particular string after order number whatever exists, exclude that in the verification and store it into buffer called order number. That's it. So now if you see, I am verifying this entire text, entire string, but I'm excluding the part of string and storing that particular order number into order number buffer. Okay, so now we are done. So basically, before you make any changes, it's recommended to resolve the references, because this actually we created by using library. So library functions and all these things I already explained you guys. Okay, so now here I want to run this particular test case as it is. Okay, let me first log out here and close this website. Okay, now right click and run in Scratchbook, which opens your web shop and it logs into web shop. See, logging in, providing the credentials, and then go to apparels and shoes, and it orders the jeans. It's going to add that into cart. See, it's adding into the cart. Done. 25 amount. Go to shopping cart, agree terms. So basically it is applying the coupon. Agree terms, checkout, click on continue, and then it is actually shipping method. It's selecting payment method, right? And it's selecting the credit card, and then it's click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to verify the success message, and it's going to verify this also, right? And then it's going to log out. Okay, it's done, logged out. So if you see here, successfully completed. So if I go to test results, let's go to test results now. If you see here under shopping cart procedure, here verify order success. If you see here, it says this order number verification is successful and the order number is placed here. Okay, so let me see the buffer. How does it buffer stored? Okay, let's go to tools and click on buffer overview. And if you see here, order number, see, buffer called order number is stored with actual order number. So you have to go to tools, click on buffer viewer. See, this is where I see the order number, whatever the buffer I specified, I can see here. See, this is the order number XB. So that order number has been placed. Correct? So now I can use this order number to verify the order number. Right? So hope you all understand the concept of dynamic comparison. How can you validate a message which is a dynamic? Some portion of the message is static and some portion of the message is dynamic. Okay, so if you have any queries, leave your comments in the comment box. I'll try to respond to your queries. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Thank you.